Picture this, you're in a manual car for the first time, 3 pedals, a gear lever. Someone says start it up. You press something, the car jerks, the engine dies, and suddenly you feel like everyone's watching. If that's ever been you, you're in good company. Almost every experienced manual driver started the same way. That nervous feeling, the stall, the wondering, here's the thing. Learning a manual isn't as hard as people make it sound. The goal isn't perfection. It's understanding how the pieces fit together, then letting your feet practice. Driving a manual isn't about strength or speed. It's about timing, coordination, and patience. Smooth driving matters more than fast driving, and once you understand the basics, it becomes muscle memory. Begin with the 3 pedals. Clutch on the left, brake in the middle, accelerator on the right. The clutch is unique to a manual. Press it down and the engine disconnects from the wheels. Let it up and it reconnects. That's the whole secret. Everything else is built around controlling that connection. Brake slows you. Accelerator pushes you. Clutch is the bridge. Before you start, no neutral. That's the gear lever position where no gear is selected. The engine runs but isn't connected to the wheels. The lever usually moves freely side to side. Always check neutral before starting or the car could lurch forward. Clutch pressed, neutral, then start. That habit prevents a lot of stress. For first gear, keep the clutch pressed all the way down. Move the lever left and up, usually top left. Don't worry if you miss it. Everyone does it first. This next part is where most beginners stall. It's called the bite point. As the clutch comes up slowly, you'll feel a small vibration. Engine sound drops. The car wants to roll forward. That moment is the bite point. Let the clutch up too fast and you stall. Press it back down and you stop. Find the bite point, hold steady, then gently add throttle. This is usually the most frustrating part, so don't worry if it feels awkward at first. To move off, raise the clutch to the bite point. Add a small amount of throttle. Keep releasing the clutch slowly while keeping throttle steady. The car rolls forward, engine stays running. Calm and smooth, that's the game. Once rolling with some speed, shift to second. Lift off the throttle, press the clutch, move into second, release the clutch gently with throttle. Lift, press, shift, release. Once you understand this, everything becomes easier. Third, fourth, fifth, the same way. Eventually, your feet just know. If you enjoy simple driving lessons that actually make sense, consider subscribing for more. We cover driving skills, car maintenance, and basic automotive knowledge regularly without the fluff. Downshifting works the same way. Slowing or needing power, press the clutch, drop into a lower gear, release smoothly. Skipping down is fine when moving slowly. Stopping, brake first. Press the clutch just before stopping so the engine doesn't stall, then neutral, release both pedals. Hill starts worry many beginners because of rolling backward. The simple method goes like this. Pull the handbrake up. Clutch, first gear, a little throttle, slowly release the clutch to the bite point. The car pushes the handbrake. Lower the handbrake and let the clutch finish rising while adding throttle. Balance is the trick and practice makes it smooth. Now common mistakes. Almost everyone makes them at first. Releasing the clutch too fast with too much throttle stalls you or lurches you forward. Slow movements fix it. Think of the clutch like a dimmer switch, not a button. Forgetting the clutch while shifting causes grinding. Always press fully before shifting. Looking down at the lever is a habit worth breaking. The gears become feel-based with practice. Riding the clutch wears it out fast. Foot on the floor when not pressing. Resting a hand on the lever adds wear too. Both hands on the wheel, and panicking after stalling, take a breath. Clutch down, neutral, start the engine. Nobody is timing you. Every car's clutch feels a little different. Don't compare yourself to someone else. Practice in a safe spot, ideally an empty parking lot. Licensing requirements vary by country, so check what's needed where you live before heading onto public roads. Have you learned to drive a manual yet, or are you just starting? Drop a comment and let me know how it went. Every skilled manual driver was once a beginner. Nobody walked out of their first drive doing perfect shifts. With patience, smooth control of the clutch and throttle, and a few hours of real practice, driving a manual becomes natural. Many drivers end up preferring it. There's a feeling that comes from being fully in control, working the gears, listening to the engine. Subscribe for more driving tutorials, car maintenance guides, and practical automotive tips. I'll see you in the next one.